Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your OTG pen drive to your phone. So basically this is SanDisk Ultra Luxe pen drive. This is 128 GB pen drive which I had purchased long back. I had done a dedicated review videos. You all can just go to the description and check for the YouTube. And also please subscribe to my channel guys, because I keep doing such type of awesome videos for you all. And let me know what you think about the design of this particular pen drive in the comments below. So we'll be connecting this to our phone, and if you like such kind of videos guys, please let me know by hitting that like button. It helps my channel a lot. And yeah, this is how you connect it. I've connected this to my K20 Pro, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You'll just have to install this application called as Files Go, and it will be showing one notification once you connect your pen drive. And I'm using Files Go. You all can even use your file manager for this, and it is possible guys, to show your pen drive over here. And if you see at the bottom, there will be internal and the pen drive will be shown over here. Then it will be showing the internal file structure. So this is my logo, and I want to copy this particular logo on my internal drive of my phone. So what I do is I go over here and select these three particular dot and copy it to, then again it will be showing where I want to copy it. Then I'll be selecting it to internal, and once you go in the internal, you will need to select the particular folder to do it. And then I'm just going to paste it in the internal storage and pictures guys. So let me paste it over here, and then what you can do is you can remove it and remove the pen drive, I mean to say. And once you do it, then you can go in the what you call that, file manager, and check it. So let me just eject this particular pen drive guys. So once I do it, you can just remove your pen drive from here. So this is one of the best pen drive, one of the fastest pen drive. Please check out the video which I have given in the description guys. So once I copy this, I'll just go to the file manager, and here you can see that same file which I had copied. It's the same logo. So this is how you transfer your file from the file manager or I mean to say the pen drive, that is SanDisk Ultra Luxe pen drive or 128 GB to your internal drive. So by the way, if you like this particular video guys, please hit that like button. Helps my channel a lot. And make sure that you subscribe to this particular channel. By the way, this is a gorgeous pen drive guys. It got this OTG connector, and it just makes some nice clicky sound. I have also dedicated video for the unboxing and all stuff, so check out those links in the description. And like always, thanks for watching this particular video guys, and see you in my next video.